Aveum Systems presents a genome-based identity infrastructure for sovereign states. Developed for national use by authorities, law enforcement, forensic institutes, and WGS program operators. It features a 15-hex GIS anchor per subject, processing time under 1 millisecond per sample, and 0 collisions in test runs. Whole genome sequencing presents a systemic burden often overlooked. Challenges include file load from WGS raw data, where a single file can be up to 300 gigabytes, blocking infrastructures for hours or days. We also face a lack of interoperability, as existing systems do not use a common identifier for cross-border comparisons. Aveum's GIS engine transforms up to 300 gigabytes of WGS data into a deterministic 15-character hexadecimal sovereign identity anchor in under 1 millisecond. The process is deterministic, irreversible, and zero-knowledge, meaning no sensitive health or ethnic data is retained. Furthermore, it is collision-free, preventing duplicate identifiers at any population size. The multi-stage cryptographic cascade architecture uses 3 independent hash families and 5 processing protocols to create one deterministic sovereign identifier. Aveum 256A is the primary hash. Aveum 256B is the secondary for cross-validation. And Aveum SH 512 provides high-entropy 512-bit processing for quality assurance. Performance data verified on real genome data from the 1000 Genomes project shows a 2,428-second batch processing time and an average processing time of 0.738 milliseconds per sample, achieving a throughput of 1.318 per second with 0 errors or collisions. This speed and efficiency means a national identification program can be built on standard hardware. Aveum GIS is a fully sovereign, on-premises, and air-gap-capable platform, ensuring data never leaves your jurisdiction. ARK 512 OPS is the complete sovereign platform, while ARK 512P is the algorithmic add-on module. Both are designed for sovereign security and independent operation. Aveum's single infrastructure addresses multiple operational areas. It enables forensic DNA analysis with sub-second turnaround and provides national identification by anchoring citizen identifiers to genomic facts, making identity fraud mathematically impossible. It also significantly improves WGS program efficiency by reducing data load from 120 gigabytes to 15 characters and aids in mass fatality identification, and secures defense and intelligence systems with air-gap-capable sovereign deployment. Global DNA identification programs like CODIS, All of Us, 1+ million genomes, Human Genome, and Japan's Biobank manage petabytes of data, but face identical interoperability problems. Aveum solves this with a 100 million to 1 data reduction, allowing countries to modernize state functions using existing infrastructure. Aveum offers data protection through architecture, not just policies. The zero-knowledge architecture and constructive irreversibility mean the GIS anchor cannot be reverse transformed into source DNA, making a stolen database useless. No data leaves the sovereign territory, ensuring full GDPR and BSI conformity. Achieve absolute identity and sovereign scaling. If you are responsible for a national identification, forensic DNA analysis, or WGS program, please take the time to explore what we have developed. Visit day.aveum.id, sign an NDA, get a 24-hour evaluation license, and test it on your infrastructure.